Today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that'll really help your business. AI, but for your business. I'm going to be explaining some fundamental principles and concepts to help you better understand AI as a whole. I'm going to also touch on specific business use cases that you can actually use in your business right now, even if you're not a tech expert. In this video, we're going to be looking at the difference between LLMs, chatbots, and AI workflows and AI agents and figure out which ones are right for your business. If you've been confused about AI and want to know how it can actually help your business make money, this guide is for you. There's so much AI talk that it's hard to know what is actually useful and what is just hype. Maybe you've tried ChatGPT and thought, this is cool, but how do I use it to help my business? Or maybe you've heard about AI agents, but don't know if it's worth spending money on. What we need is a simple explanation of these AI tools and principles that focus on how they can actually help businesses. Artificial intelligence is a big category, actually, and it includes all the technologies that make machines act smart like humans. This includes technologies that can learn from experiences, understand language and pictures, make decisions, and solve problems, and adapt to new situations. Now, machine learning is a type of AI that lets computers learn from data without being told exactly what to do. It finds patterns in data and it can get better with more data. And it helps with things like grouping customers or spotting fraud. What makes these better is they can access your business data, connect with your business tools, and understand your company's specific terms. You'll see these AI assistant chatbots helping in HR or IT support, or even sales and marketing support, but humans still need to check in on their work. This is where things start to actually get really useful when it comes to businesses. AI workflows can connect AI with your business systems to automate processes. They link different tools and data and can follow set patterns with different decision points, automate multi-step tasks, and can include human checkpoints when needed, but not necessarily. The benefits are big. Automating repetitive tasks that you have to do all the time, reducing manual data entry, making sure things are done consistently, and they can free up your team or you to do more important work. Now, AI agents are at the cutting edge of AI because agents are essentially systems that can do complex tasks with minimal supervision. These can work independently to reach goals, make decisions based on the situation, or even use tools as needed. That they can learn even from their results. The big difference between AI assistants and AI agents are really the fact that they're proactive instead of reactive. They can manage entire processes and they can work more independently than an AI assistant can. For example, an AI assistant essentially can personalize customer messages and organize your knowledge. And so that's really useful if you get a lot of emails, and it would be really nice for you not to have to personalize every single email every time you get one. It'd be really nice to have an AI assistant to do that. An AI agent can also shine even better because it could essentially take it all off your hands, even the lead generation or the cold calling, or even just keeping in communication with past customers, potentially for a future, work or future sales. But AI workflows can do so much more for your business. You can set up an AI workflow with an AI agent and essentially have that managing your entire email inbox. Imagine if you get thousands of emails every single day and you just have an AI agent coupled with the workflow managing all of that for you, categorizing everything, responding, processing all the data, putting the invoices in your database, bringing customers in, sending them to your sales agents, the ones that are available, the ones that are working that day, all these kind of things. AI workflows and AI agents are really the new thing in small businesses right now. AI agents and AI workflows specifically really do help your business. They help with time. Things that you may be used to doing that takes hours of your day or hours a week can really be cut down to only a few minutes, where you're just checking to ensure that the AI, system that was implemented is continuing to work efficiently and processing everything. And I would say your first steps is I just laid out these simple, basic first steps. First is just identifying the pain points in your business processes, and then Start small with clear, high impact use cases that you would like to use for your business. Don't jump into some crazy complicated system if you haven't even really started with the bare minimum, the basics to really get used to that. And I would also recommend thinking about people when it comes to thinking about these use cases. Use AI to help people, not to replace them. And also check to see how good your data is. And so I would say that. And then for the final step, I would say work with an expert who understands both AI and your business. This is really crucial because some business owners will try to do it themselves and they will end up butchering their business processes, and then they will get wounded and not want to integrate AI at all. And so they end up not only hurting themselves in the short term, but also in the long term because it's the businesses that implement AI that are going to actually succeed because the future is AI. The best businesses will create workflows where AI handles routine tasks that humans don't really need to do anymore. And so it allows the humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and relationships. We're already seeing this with new jobs right now appearing, like AI trainers, consultants, supervisors, professionals, and even those who design and build workflows like me. And so the key to success is creating a culture that sees AI as a partner, not as a threat or a replacement. Now, AI offers amazing opportunities for businesses of all size. The key is matching the right tool to your specific needs. LLMs and AI chatbots for basic text capabilities and general help and content creation, AI assistants for guided support, AI workflows for processing those automated things, those tasks you really could give to a machine, but they still require some human understanding to effectively do them properly, and AI agents who can actually just work independently and autonomously. And so really start with clear goals. Start with clear goals when you're trying to transform your business using AI. And your next steps after you've essentially just followed these things is really just getting a personalized assessment from an expert to find out where AI can really help your business the most. It's always best to have a personalized assessment.